Hello friends, welcome to House of Cid. This is a cafecito adventure videos from Starbucks in the middle of the Nevada desert. Yes, did you know that there is a new Starbucks in Jean, Nevada off of the 15 freeway, literally in the middle of the desert with nothing else around. So make sure you stick around for cafecito time. This is from the day we drove into Vegas. We stopped at this Starbucks to get some coffee and just stretch our legs before we headed into Vegas, but sadly it was closed. Only the drive-thru was open, so we didn't want to wait in the long line. I did kind of peek inside to see what it looked like, and I was amazed by that wall of merch. There were a lot of employees in there, and this girl was waving to us, and I thought, oh, she is coming to let us in. No, she was questioning why we were there, what we were doing, and it was kind of odd. But yes, in case you didn't know, there is a new Starbucks in Jean, Nevada off the 15 freeway in the middle of the Nevada desert. This is the day we were coming back home from Las Vegas. We stopped once again and it was open. Very nice looking from the outside. They have a really big outdoor patio with some nice cactus. I think they're made out of like tin or aluminum. Nice big patio to sit outdoors, although it was a little too hot to be outdoors. You know, that Nevada desert can be a scorcher. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And yes, that is the 15 freeway. So if you're coming from Las Vegas to California, it is on the right hand side. If you're coming from California going to Las Vegas, it is on the left hand side. Finally made it inside. It's quite spacious. They have a lot of seating, as you can see. Very roomy. They have that little bar area. All the baristas were busy making drinks, and I was most excited to see this huge wall of merch. Some I had never seen before, like this cup. I don't know if it's new to Starbucks or just for Las Vegas, because they do have Las Vegas branded Starbucks merchandise, which you can only buy in Las Vegas. And other stores have them, not just this one. They were fully stocked with the coffees and cups, tumblers, water bottles, you name it. They pretty much had everything. I found a mug and a tumbler with this design, which I really liked, but I didn't buy it. And as you can see, they were stocked with all the pastries, drinks, sandwiches, you name it. And the bathrooms were clean and very easy to access from that side door off the parking. Overall, I think this is a very nice Starbucks, very spacious, lots of room to sit down and relax if you want to make a pit stop in the middle of the desert, with a lot of parking as well. This is the back, just to show you that it's literally in the middle of the desert. Nothing else around but that little mountain ridge. And in case you need some gas or get hungry, you can go across the street to Terrible's gas station, and they do have a White Castle in there. So make sure you get some burgers for the road. Make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like these videos. Thanks, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.